super great Monday morning. It's Monday, November 16th. I had a really nice weekend. I hope you guys had a really great weekend also. Today we start our third rock type, which is metamorphic. We've already done igneous and sedimentary. Remember, igneous are made from magma and lava. Sedimentary are made out of natural ingredients. They can be plastic, they can be chemical, or they can be organic. Today we're doing metamorphic. A metamorphic rock is a rock that is made with heat and pressure. So if you add heat and pressure to any rock, you change the type of it and it becomes a metamorphic rock. I have three types of metamorphic rock with me today. I have this really pretty white one, and this is marble. You see this industrial buildings, you can see this on countertops. It's really pretty, it's really shiny, and that's why people use them in really nice buildings. That's our marble. Gneiss is our other metamorphic rock, and if you can see, they have layers in them. So a metamorphic rock can be foliated or non-foliated. If it's foliated, this is a really great example. It is layered. If it's non-foliated, we have our white marble. I also have the last metamorphic rock. It is quartzite. It would be a non-foliated rock because it is not layered. So if I add heat and pressure to a rock, it is definitely a metamorphic rock. Now today you're going to do watch the last video and fill out the last column of your rock type flowchart. When you are done with your rock type flowchart, you're going to absolutely turn it in under here, under assignments, under rock type flowchart. And so you've been working really hard on that for 3 days, so let's not forget to turn it in. When you're done there, you are going to click on the Rock Interactive. And this is what our Rock Interactive looks like. You're going to read, and then you're going to read about my rock types. It's a good reminder because you're going to need to get it through when you start your rock collection. Here's this, and then you begin, and then you put your rocks in, your rock type, and you put them all in, you read, you put them in, but you'd be going much slower than I am. And you would read about them because you're going to need to read about them to get through here. So now this is kind of the quiz portion of it. You're going to work your way through that, and you're finished when you get a number out of 10. So the first thing you're going to do today is watch the video, start it, stop it, finish your rock type flowchart. You're going to turn that in under assignments, and then you're going to work through the Rock Interactive. Okay, so now that we've hit all three rock types, we can start working with them and using them today or tomorrow in the next few days in class. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to turn your assignment in.